Look, when a woman grows older or becomes widowed, society quickly assumes that her inner desires have faded away. But the truth is, the heart doesn't recognize age. The heart responds to circumstances. Today, we're going to talk about something most people avoid, because this isn't just about attraction. It's about pain, silence, and emotions that are deep, complex, and often left unspoken. When an older or widowed woman begins to feel drawn to a man, she doesn't express it openly. Her gestures are not loud, her voice doesn't rise. Everything about her becomes quiet, layered, and meaningful, because what she feels isn't spoken through words, but through the rhythm of her heart. She feels it deeply, yet struggles to express it. She notices your presence, but the weight of society holds her back from saying anything. That's why her signals are subtle, restrained, and emotionally rich. And understand this, these signs don't appear for just anyone. They only surface when she truly believes a man is worthy of trust. But before you can recognize these signals, there's something important you need to understand. You cannot truly grasp the meaning behind her actions until you understand what she carries inside, her fear, her silence, and her inner conflict. Because being older or widowed is not just a label, it's an emotional storm. When a woman loses her life partner, she doesn't just lose a person. She loses her future, her dreams, her emotional support, and a part of her identity. On the outside, she may appear strong and composed, but inside, there is a deep loneliness that quietly consumes her. And perhaps the most painful part is this: society doesn't even acknowledge that loneliness. Instead, it tells her, your life is over, you no longer have the right to happiness. Stay silent. But remember this, the heart belongs to a human being, not to society. And as long as the heart is alive, feelings remain alive too. Now let's talk about 5 silent yet powerful signs these women show without saying a word. If you learn to recognize them, you'll realize that every human heart longs for the same things: love, belonging, and companionship. When an older or widowed woman begins to feel something again, she doesn't fall easily. She hesitates. She thinks carefully. She holds herself back as much as she can. She debates with her own heart, tries to reason with her emotions. But the truth is, love cannot be stopped. It's a voice that refuses to be silenced. As her heart slowly and quietly begins to lean toward a man, a storm of questions starts echoing within her. What will people say? What will they think? Do I even deserve to love again? Am I betraying my past? Will this man understand me? Will he listen? Will he truly feel me? And somewhere between all these questions, her signals begin to appear, softly, gradually. The first sign is a shift in her gaze. When an older or widowed woman starts to develop deep feelings for a man, her eyes are the first to reveal it. The eyes tell the story of the heart. They don't lie, and in her case, they definitely won't. If she begins to feel something for you, she pauses for a moment when she sees you. There's a gentle smile, a brief moment of thought, and a touch of nervousness. She wants you to look at her, but at the same time, she fears being misunderstood. When you're around, she observes you quietly. Sometimes she searches for truth in your eyes. Sometimes she looks for familiarity in your face. She may hesitate to hold direct eye contact, yet deep down, she wants that connection. Because she's not just looking at you, she's feeling you. And when a woman's eyes begin to speak in this way, understand this: you've started to earn a place in her heart. The second sign is that your words begin to affect her deeply. When an older or widowed woman starts developing feelings, her way of communicating begins to change. She listens to you more carefully than before. Even your simplest words start to carry emotional weight for her. She might ask, "How are you? You look tired. Is everything okay? Is something bothering you?" On the surface, these may sound like ordinary questions, but for her, they are emotional investments. When she begins to care, her tone softens, her voice becomes warmer, more personal. Her words begin to carry a hidden affection. She remembers what you say. She appreciates you. She checks on you. She tries to understand your world. And if you notice this happening, understand something important. She's not just talking to you, she's connecting with you. The third sign is that she begins to let you into her loneliness. This is something a woman only does with someone she truly trusts. An older or widowed woman hides her pain from the world. She doesn't share her loneliness with just anyone. But if she starts saying things like, "The house feels so empty now. I can't sleep at night. Sometimes I catch myself talking to no one. I feel lost during holidays," then understand this clearly. These are not just words. This is her heart opening up to you. It means she is beginning to trust you with her emotional weight. She finds comfort in your presence. She feels a sense of safety around you. Because letting someone into her loneliness is one of the deepest forms of acceptance there is. And when she reaches that point, it's no longer just about connection. It's about vulnerability, trust, and something much more meaningful beginning to take shape.